Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your United Airlines seat for more comfort and better service, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit united.com on your web browser and sign in to your Mileage Plus account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips from the main menu to view all your upcoming flight reservations and bookings. Step 3. Select the specific flight you want to upgrade by clicking on the reservation details to view available options. Step 4. Look for the Upgrade button or Change Seats option displayed within your trip information panel. Step 5. Review available upgrade classes such as Premium Plus, Polaris Business, or First Class. The system will show availability and pricing. Step 6. Choose your preferred upgraded cabin class and seat. You can upgrade using miles, cash, or plus points depending on your elite status and availability. Step 7. Complete the payment or confirm the use of your upgrade instruments. The system will display the final cost in miles or dollars before you confirm. Step 8. After confirmation, your upgraded ticket will be processed immediately. Check your email for the updated confirmation, and your new boarding pass will reflect your upgraded class of service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.